Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides West Jaiñtia Hills kala Kynmaw Burom ye ka sngi ba kerpang ka Scout Guides movement ya ka bala tip kum ka Thinking Day and Founders Day ha ka ba ki Scouts, Guides, Rovers haringkat bat ki unit leaders kilawan banyak shimbenta ha ka jingi kendo ulang ka bala long ha district headquarter ha ka arpu artri ko bunah rempang arajar arpu lain. U Adiam Butho, District Secretary Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides West Jaiñtia Hills Hagajingkren ko musong knor ulayatho sa phangka nongrim jong ka sngi kabalong ka sngi kha jong ki arngut ki shilok ki baseng ye ka Scouts Guides movement ya ki bala tip kum u Lord Baden Powell but ka Olive Baden Powell layo jingkren ru na ka Dolly Lamari Assistant District Organizing Commissioner Guides but ohiwat lalu District Commissioner Scouts West Jaiñtia Hills District halor ka mat bakerpang jong ka sngi ka baong our peaceful future. La pensyong shit ya kan igasni de ki jing roi ki jing shat bale shimbenta de ki Rovers Ranger bat ki khna Scout Guides.
World Brotherhood Day, Eju report on the Thinking Day. Thinking Day mode for guide section. Dot Nagabanta, Galedi, Baden Powell. World Brotherhood Day could get to report dot Nagabanta, Katakasing Korpang, Kawan Nagabanta, Baden Powell. Dot Katakasing World Brotherhood Day, dot the Snappy, dot Kajing Siaman, Chipayu, dot no Pras Scouts on it, and the Scout with the guide. Wah ki Rangers o ki we tuat. Senyapa it comes to you. Dan nak yang ki guys and on the Thinking Day, em kur komperkat kur kompulain ki dewi tuan. And then koman very special on. Nak banta guys section on Thinking Day. Ki em on ki kate ke contribution lene ko fund ku on the Thinking Day fund. Kate ko fund ko collect inumro ki members lene yang ki guys lagi te report lene wat kat ni lah. Lai ko chakata ko World Bureau of Girl Guide and Girl Scouts. Kata ko fun ko lai ko World Bureau yang ke Girl Guide o ke Girl Scout. To lo yang ki ya kiwan ki jing MKam yang ki Scout ki guide. Hakawan ke bantai yang dari leni wat untuk de ki Scout ki guide kaman ki jing ki disasters ki kita ke jing na. Kawan siapa komen ini ke sini.
Connect with our ecosystem so that we will make the world safer and peaceful for us to live, especially for girls. We see so many kinds of dangers. We see so many kinds of harassment going on. So, with this theme, we stand here to give a message to each and everyone to stand up for their voice and to stand up for the girl child, even for the boys also. We can see in many places, even boy child also is being harassed, is being under that danger situation. So with this one, the theme of this year of our world, our peaceful future standing is that we can connect with our ecosystem or our environment within us. Not just we only human, but even animals and even the trees, everything which is under the ecosystem, we will connect with it and we will stand and fight for everyone's right. So that is all. Thank you.
Clap, Bruce.
Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, empowering the women of Meghalaya. 3,000 rupees every month to every single BPL mother in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Ka Meghalaya TMC kan wanlam shapi ka Meghalaya Financial Inclusion for Women Empowerment Scheme. Hapo kani ka scheme onpen poi pisa shi hajating kashi banai kata khat ar hajating kashi snap shaki kin thei haman la kilong yeng kum kala jingkershan by benai.
Hakane ka apnyo terek urempang, Jaiñtia kasap jong pi haki artli kisentil bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya TMC.